right in the face. Don't mess with me. You know what's right and wrong. Yo, I hear there ain't no talking. It's really, really hot in here. I'm about to take off all my clothes. Yeah, you shorty wanna see me and some more. If you know, you know. Ain't no talking. Shh, what's that sound? Ain't no talking. Ain't no talking. Ain't no talking. Shh, what's that sound? Shh, shh. Hey, there ain't no fucking talking in this building. A bitch gave me sloppy toppy. Hey, it's like we were on the Eiffel Tower when it happened. Now she won't talk to me. No, she'll talk to you. She's fucking with other dude. Shh, what's that sound? What's that sound? What's that sound, yo? There ain't no talking, yo. Get it loud. It's a party up in this building. Ay, and when J-Love Shorty shows up, it's getting real. It's getting real. Ay, I'm burning my cigarette. It's a party up in here. Ain't no one talking, ain't no one wanna say anything. I got a Glock ready to load. Yo, I'm proud to say that I get more money. I get your girl on my dick and she said, yo, my boyfriend ain't gotta know, but you know anyhow, cause you knew she would fuck with me. I'm hotter than you anyway. Yeah. I know ain't no one talking. Ain't no one talking, yeah. Crawling through the vents, I see your bitch. She wanna give me more sloppy toppy.